how to create an art and craft supplies e-commerce website on Weebly. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can create your own online store using this platform. So let's get started by clicking on the sign up button to create a new account, and for those who already have an account, just go with login or sign in like me. So I already have an account, so I'm just going to sign in. Type your email address and your password and click on login. So this is the dashboard of the platform, as you can see, but before that I already created this store. I want to show you how you can create the store from the beginning. So click on add site, and here you choose whether you need just a website or a website with an online store, and then you give a name to the store. You can always change the name later and click on continue. Answer these questions. I'm not selling yet, I'm not sure yet. And here you choose the category of your store, as you can see. So mine is about arts and crafts. Let's scroll down. If you can't find your category, just go with other and then click on continue. And if you already have a store in the real world, you just give them the address. If not, you skip and you wait for them to build your store. So let's refresh this page, and that's good. So this is the dashboard, guys, of the platform, and in your left you can see some sections, and I'm going to explain them for you real quick to proceed to the editing phase. So let's start with the website, and it's where you can also edit your site or set up your domains. Then we have the items, and it's obviously or basically where you can create products for your store, and you can set categories for those products or options, or if you want to create coupons or gift cards. Also, you can check the customer reviews and item preferences in this section, which is the items. Then we have the fulfillment. Before that we have orders, and it's where you can check your orders that you have in your store. Then we have the fulfillment, and it's where you can set the pickup settings and the shipping settings also. Then we have the reports, and the first one we have the summary, and it's the summary of all the reports that you have in here. So if you want to see all your reports, you can just go to the summary. If not, if you want to see each one separated, you can just go through each one of them, starting from the site's traffic to the site's activity to sources and the online sales and the site's items and so on. So let's close this section and let's proceed to the next one, which is the marketing section. And it's basically where you can set all the things that are related to growing your audience, from the emails to the automated to the ads, also mailing lists and the segments, also the setup. And if you want to also see the summary of all these, you can just click on the summary and you can see it in this button in here. So let's proceed to the next section, which is the communication, and it's where you can manage the email and text alerts, the pop-ups, messenger, and also the abandoned carts. So you can do all that in this section. Let's proceed to the last but not least section, which is settings, and it's where you will have the general settings of your store. If you want to set the address or a company name, as you can see, you can set a company name or an address for your store or an email or a phone number also. Then you have the checkout, and it's where you can set or connect your payment processors like your Stripe account or your PayPal account. Also, you can change the currency and the country in this change button. Then you have the sales taxes, and it's where you can add a tax rate and make that set it up for your store. Then you have the units Also, it's about your product. It's where you can set up the units of your products, as you can see. So let's proceed to the overview and let's head to the editing phase. So to edit your website, you just click on edit site and give it a few seconds to load. Just give it a few seconds, guys. The first thing you will have to do is choose a style for your store. So let's wait for it to load and let's see which one we're going to choose. So here we have some styles. You can always change that later, but if you want to choose them from now, just go on and try until you find the one that suits you. So let's try another one. I think I'm going to choose this one. It looks pretty basic, so this one is good. When you're done, you click on hide styles and then you click on apply site styles to save the changes that you did. And as you can see, this is how our online store looks. And here in your left, you can change everything in your store. If you want to add a logo, you can do that in this button. If you want to change the colors, as you can see, you can do all of that also in here. And then we have the fonts. Also, if you want to change the fonts of your store, you can do pretty much all of that in this place, as you can see. Let's go back, let's click on done and let's scroll down. Also, you can change the shapes of the buttons from rounded to sharp to fill, as you can see, the shape of images also. And here you have the badges. If you want to add these ones, you will need to upgrade from the trial version that we are using right now to the paid version, obviously. And if you want to reset the settings to the default, you can just click on this button. So that's it for today's video, guys. I just wanted to give you an idea about this platform and how it works. I hope I achieved that. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel and share the video with your friends.